these will 100% solve your issue. Fix 1. Restart and run as administrator. First, keep it simple. Restart your PC. Right-click Pragmata, click Run as Administrator. This fixes permission conflicts instantly. Fix 2. Verify game files. Corrupted files are the #1 cause. If you're using Steam, open Steam, go to Library, right-click Pragmata, click Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. This repairs missing or broken files. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated drivers equals crashes. If you have NVIDIA, update via GeForce Experience. AMD, update via Adrenaline software. Always install the latest game-ready drivers. Fix 4. Disable full-screen optimization. Right-click Game Shortcut, Properties, Compatibility. Tick Disable Full-Screen Optimization. Click Apply. Helps fix black screen issues. Fix 5. Install, repair DirectX and Visual C++. Missing components can crash games. Install DirectX, latest version, Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. These are essential for game launch. Fix 6. Fix DXGIError device removed. This error is GPU related. Try lower GPU overclock. Set graphics settings to low. Add launch option. You can see the code in our conversation history. Forces a more stable DirectX version. Fix 7. Close background apps. Apps like overlays can crash the Overgame, Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, Chrome. Yes, even Chrome. Close everything before launching. Fix 8. Clean boot. Advanced fix. Press Windows R, msconfig, disable non-Microsoft services, restart PC, remove software conflicts. Fix 9. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall Pragmata, reinstall fresh, last resort, but very effective. Outro. If one of these fixes worked, drop a comment and let others know which one helped.